It's a hot morning, and I'm gonna start it with some iced tea. Isn't this a nice little cup? Got ice in there, some iced tea, and I'm gonna show you a little around my greenhouse. Now my greenhouse, it's not a big greenhouse, it's about 10 feet long, and I decided to put sand on the bottom. So it gets really hot in here, so when I'm sitting in here, I can close my eyes and pretend I'm at the beach, right? So I just wanted to show you how everything was growing. So I have everything all together. Everything's growing like crazy. Lots of tomatoes. I just kind of threw a lot of seeds in pots to see what would happen. So as we can see, things are growing really, really beautifully, and I'm really excited. Harvest time. I'm gonna have my coffee and either a cranberry nut or pina colada scone. I'm choosing the cranberry one. I decided there were too big, so I cut one in half. I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna head out and check on my little chickies and see how they're doing today. And these are my little quail, and it looks like I'm gonna have at least 4 females. And that's really what I want. Those are my little chickies. They're big now. I was given this by my son's beautiful girlfriend for Mother's Day. I just thought, and because I'm a beekeeper, I just thought that was really cute and special and nice.